Hello everyone, welcome to Mokshika Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to see the current affairs in the month of January 2021. Who has been awarded the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020? Vinod Kumar Yadav. Who has recently become the first recipient of the prestigious Mullag Medal? Ajinkya Rahane. Who became the 67th Grandmaster of India? Leon Mendoka from the state Goa. At which place has the Kelo India Zanskar Winter Sports Festival first started? Ladakh. Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy 2020-21 had started from which stadium? Sardar Patel Stadium at Ahmedabad. Who has become the first woman umpire to officiate men's test match? Clary Foloska. Which team won the Border Gavaskar Trophy recently? India. Who is the author of the launch book Manohar Parrikar of the Record? Vaman Subbu Prabhu. Which bank has launched digital payment index across the country? Reserve Bank of India. Who has recently been selected for the National Florence Nightingale Award 2020? Dr. Shali Kani. Who has been appointed to the post of Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Pankaj Mithal. Which state begins the Krishi Sanjeevani vans in order to test soil and water? Karnataka. As per the World Bank, what is the projected GDP rate of India for the financial year 2021? 9.6%. World's longest railway platform will be inaugurated in which state? Karnataka. What is India's rank in World Economic League Table 2021? 6th. At which place DRDO successfully fired the new generation Akash missile? Odisha. Which state has launched its first online youth radio station? Himachal Pradesh. Horticulture Development Mission was announced by the CM of which state? Gujarat. Which government has launched the Wings campaign on the occasion of National Girl Child Day? Madhya Pradesh. Makara Villuka festival got celebrated in Shabrimala temple. This temple is in which state? Kerala. India's first largest road tunnel boring machine has been launched in which state? Maharashtra. Which was India's place in the recently released Global Fire Power Index 2021? 4th position. Who has become the first woman pilot to fly the fighter plane in Republic Day Parade? Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant. Who has developed bike ambulance Rakshita for security force personnel? CRPF and DRDO department. Recently, which ministry has received the Scout Challenger Award? Minister of Tribal Affairs. Recently, which cattle disease is reported first time in India? Lumpy skin disease caused by Capropovis virus. Who launched the single window clearance system for coal mines? Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs. Recently, which Indian airline company's all-women pilot team flew over North Pole on world's longest air route, Air India? Recently, which government PSU started an initiative called Prayas, Indian Oil Corporation? The longest train in Indian Railways has created a new record. What is the name of this freight train? Vasuki. Kochi Mangalore natural gas pipeline was inaugurated by which minister? Narendra Modi. Which country has launched the remote sensing satellite Yogan 33? China. Which country has been recently included in the Five Eyes network? Japan. In which state did PM Narendra Modi launch the Ek Zil Ek Shilp campaign? Madhya Pradesh. Which state has announced new solar energy policy 2021? Gujarat. In which state India's first rice ATM will be installed? Karnataka. Who was awarded the National Tansen Award 2020? Pandit Satish Vyasa for Santur player. Who was awarded DRDO Scientist of the Year Award 2020? Hemant Kumar Pandey. Which bank has launched the Mahila Entrepreneur Fund scheme? Punjab National Bank. Which country announced to develop the world's first satellite made by wood by 2030? Japan. Which state government has launched gut drinking water scheme? Uttarakhand. Recently, where did Kiran Rijiju start the first Khelo India Sports School of Northeast? Shillong, Assam Rifle Public School. In which city will country's first Buddhist theme park be established? Madhya Pradesh in Sanchi. India's first indoor sky park is to be built at which location? Himachal Pradesh at Kufri. Recently, in which district of Karnataka a source of lithium has been detected? Mandya. Recently, in which state reserves of rare metal vanadium been found? Arunachal Pradesh. These are the major topics we can cover in the current affairs of month January 2021. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe our Mokshika Academy YouTube channel. Anyone want to download the PDF, the above link has been provided. They can download the PDF of the current affairs from the month January to September. Thank you.